Mastering whom, the often forgotten object pronoun. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive into the world of relative clauses, specifically focusing on object pronouns within those clauses. You're probably quite comfortable using who, but have you mastered its more formal sibling, whom? Stick around to add this classy tool to your English toolkit. Whom is an object pronoun that we use in relative clauses. It can replace him, her, them, etc. when these words are the objects of the clause. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is an object in a clause? An object is a person or thing that is affected by the action of the verb. Here's a simple example. This is the woman. You saw her yesterday. In the second sentence, her is the object. When we combine these two sentences using a relative clause, her gets replaced by whom. This is the woman whom you saw yesterday. One important aspect of using whom is that it often comes immediately after the noun it's referring to. This is unlike who, which often starts a clause. Here's an example to illustrate. The man whom you met at the conference is my uncle. In this sentence, whom refers back to the man and is used immediately after. It sounds a bit more formal, but it's correct English. Just like who, whom, can also be used to initiate questions, but remember, it's when we're asking about the object of the action. For instance, whom did you give the book to? Here, the book, the object being acted upon, is being given to whom, the object of the preposition to. So when do we use who, and when do we use whom? Remember this simple rule. Who is used for the subject of a sentence. Whom is used for the object of a sentence. This is how we differentiate. Who ate the cookies? Who is the subject doing the eating? Whom did you tell about the cookies? You told whom. Whom is the object. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the object pronoun, whom. It's not used as often these days, but it's still a part of the English language, and knowing how to use it correctly can add a touch of formality and sophistication to your language. Keep practicing, and soon using whom will become second nature. Until our next grammar journey, happy learning!